my new place, my new flat, my home. I'm in my lobby. I'm in my flat. Today is the day I go into my flat. This is my first grown woman situation, so I'm excited. Okay, let's go. This is the master bedroom. I'm going to close the door behind me. So I've got a radiator in the corner. This is the wardrobe for my bedroom. Now, I like the fact that it's got mirrors, but what I find interesting is that it's very dark. I've never had somewhere with like dark mirrors, but it's cool. If I just get a double, or a small double, that can go like in the middle here. In fact, that's what's going to happen. In the middle here, we're going to have the bed. Maybe I'll have a side table here and another side table there. I think that's cute. We'll figure that out. Let me show you the bathroom. This is the ensuite bathroom. I have dispensers here and extra fair. Of course, I'm going to fill these up. This is cute. I get to sit in a bathroom on it. Another favourite feature of mine in this bathroom is this mirror. It looks really just big, and guess what? It doubles as a door. So now this is supposed to be my walk-in wardrobe. So this is where I'm going to have all my clothes, all my deliveries, all my shoes, hopefully. The idea for this place, honestly, is just to have every wall covered with storage. It would be nice to have like a little, like a table and a little couchy chair, cushiony thing, so that I can do my makeup here. Hopefully someone's going to help me. If you're an interior designer, holler at your girl, because I actually need help, because I'm really not, I don't have the eye. So this is bathroom number 2. This is the guest bathroom. And again, I actually love the colour scheme of these bathrooms. Such a nice space to have a shower in. Like, anyone that's coming to stay at mine is lit. You're gonna enjoy your shower. Look at all this space. You can even make up a routine. It opened. What? This has more storage than mine. Oh no, What? This is the lounge / kitchen, so it's open plan. Got some dark wood floor. It's really small, I can't lie, like it's very small and compact, but it works because it's just me. This area is going to be where the TV is, here, and then the couch will be here, and then hopefully like a rug or whatever in the middle. And I need space to dance, so this space over here, in front of the kitchen, is where I should be able to dance. Open plan kitchen, stove. I love that it's electrical. Ooh. My spices are going right here. All my seasonings. Okay, this I'm definitely gonna get a new cutlery tray or whatever you call it, because this is some nonsense. Regular oven. Oh. Okay, again. Okay. I love that the fridge freezer is inbuilt. Love it. There's space at the top and over there. I love this. No, this is actually mine. So imagine when I'm going to wake up, come to the couch, sit down, have my cup of tea or my cup of coffee, watch my television, have my breakfast I made in my kitchen. Are you mad? Yo, I'm so gassed. Okay, so the last place I'm going to show you is my balcony. It's a cute little balcony. I'm definitely going to have some seating over here. And yeah, be renting right now. Like, this is just a great start to having my own space. I feel like I'm going to be more creative, more productive in here. And you know what? Everything happens in stages, so this is my stage of my life right now and I love it. I really want you guys to actually follow me on this journey of furnishing this home. If you have any suggestions, if you know anyone that can help a sister out, if you just know any designers, any places I can get like really unique pieces from, I need it. I need your help. So yeah, make sure you hit me up in my DMs, under the comments, anywhere you can reach me. Please just send me a suggestion because I need it. I need it. I'm super excited and it'll be fun to have you guys along with the journey. I know it sounds cliche, but it really will be.